Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Tutor. Today in this video, I'm going to show on how to add multiple audio tracks on Capcut using your mobile device. So let's get started. First, open your Capcut app on your mobile device. Then choose a project that you working on. Now, at the bottom, you will see the audio icon, then tap it. Here, you will look for extract icon, then tap it. Now, choose your first audio clip and add it to the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Tutor. After that, do the same thing to add a second audio track. And just like that, I have multiple audio tracks in one video. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please do follow, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos.